Hey guys, so today is the day I'm starting my tomatoes. Just a couple of basics. I've got 2 trays and only 1 seedling heat mat. I'm going to put one of the trays in the basement on a hot windowsill where it'll get warm enough, and the other one I'll put on the seed mat upstairs. Yeah, so I generally plant my tomatoes in these larger pots, and I don't intend to transplant them again until they actually go in the soil. I use a potting soil, an all-purpose potting soil that already has some nutrient value in it. I don't bother with little pots of seedling soil. They don't stay in there long enough for that to be worthwhile investment, so I just do them right into these right off the bat, and with about 8 weeks till my last frost, I usually get a decent sized root ball in these pots that's not root bound. So I do it once and I do it like this. As you can see, I've labeled everything. These are my tomatoes, these are my sister-in-law's tomatoes, and then these are the artichokes that we seeded a couple weeks ago. I'm also going to be starting 2 ground cherries, and the process is all fairly similar. There's nothing really special about it. The only other thing I was going to show you today was the transplanting the sweet potato slips. Okay, so these are the slips we cut off the other day. They have been rooting in this water, and it is high time to get them into some dirt. So as you can see, they have quite robust root systems, and they do tend to root from the nodes between or where the leaves sprout from. So for those, just give me a moment. Going to take that over there for a second. This is hydrated potting soil. It's not totally dry, because I don't want to have to completely rehydrate soil with plants in it. So what I'll often do is I'll pack soil in one corner, then I can place the plant down in that corner like that, and then I can fill the other side, and it doesn't displace the roots. They're all pointing down where they should be. And with a sweet potato, you don't have to worry too much about burying leaves, but if there are a couple that are really well buried, I'm just going to snap them off. And you just want to make sure that your roots are all in the dirt. There you go. Just like that. They're potted up and ready to go in windowsill. And last but not least, I want to show you what's happening in the window and also demonstrate just what the sunshine in the spring looks like. First of all, we're gonna have a peek at these tomatoes. These guys are doing really well. These are the minis here. And we've got the peppers sprouting nicely. We've got some cut flowers sprouting. The part that I covered in plastic is a bunch of stuff I seeded this week. And then we've got onions, the asparagus, and these sweet potatoes are just about ready to take fresh slips off of. And a gloriously aromatic spray of purple alyssum, as well as the other stuff that we've got going on. Anyways, I think I'll leave it at that. But here we go. That's just how bright and brilliant it is outside. Honestly, the camera doesn't even do it justice. It is just a white glare. It is so hot in the sun. I've actually got my windows open, and it's only 1 degree above zero, or above freezing right now for me. But I need to have some windows open because the sun is so hot. As for other things that I started this week, I started Sky and Ice Osteospermum, Lupins, Gaillardia, Portulaca. I did both night scented stalks and regular stalks, which is a Mathiola type. I also, down here in this tray, which hasn't come up yet, started my first run of cabbages, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, all of that. And I'll also be starting African marigolds, and there's something else, I can't remember. Anyways, that's what I got going on this week. Good luck with your planting, guys. We'll see ya.